Niggas in my grill tryna phase me.
Great to see you, my friend. It's a great weather, a little bit windy. Our stop for our Kung Fu training. This video is a continuing version of Eagle Kung Fu. In the first video, we learned 6 awesome movements. That's for attack and defense with Eagle hand. And in this video, we're gonna continue to bring you 3 brand new movements that's useful and effective.
The first move, known as the back sweep, is a versatile technique that is commonly used across different martial arts disciplines. By pushing off the ground with both hands and rotating the body from left to right, one can execute a swift sweep with the right leg towards their opponent. The second move, the scissors kick, is a dynamic technique that involves kicking with the right leg followed by the left leg in the opposite direction. This move can be used to trip an opponent's leg and create an opening for further attacks. It also requires the practitioner to bring their body up from the ground, using their hands for support. Lastly, the eagle grabbing move combines agility and precision to confuse and overcome opponents. By making circular grabbing motions with both hands, the practitioner can quickly strike with an eagle hand technique for both defensive and offensive maneuvers.
Niggas in my grill tryna phase me.
Alright, see you in next video, my friend. Take care, I love you.